Had it for, you said on the phone, what, 12 years or something?
Yeah, I'm from Lancaster originally,
Yep,
and the only reason I'm saying that is because you said you picked up a Mustang in
yeah,
Lancaster.
I did. I picked up a 67. The lady, she was a nurse. She graduated in, I guess, nursing school around there. And she bought it brand new in 67.
In 67?
Yep.
Oh, man,
Had
that's
it,
a nice find.
yeah, but she passed away. And her niece sold it to us.
Okay.
So she had it until the day she died. And the kicker is, it didn't sit in the garage. I mean, she garaged it, but she drove it every day.
Yeah.
It was the only car she ever
Is
owned.
it a square back or a fastback?
That's square back.
Yeah.
I wish it was a fastback.
Yeah. My dad had a 67 Mustang square back, 289, I believe, was in that. It's an automatic. Nice car to kick around in. But anyway, this guy was in State College, PA.
Okay.
I saw an ad for it and went up to see it. I was really impressed with how the body looked, and negotiated with the guy a little bit and ended up bringing it home. But
So was that about, what, 2012?
well, it was 12 years ago,
Yeah.
about 2012, yeah. And
So you bought it at the right time, because if I'm not mistaken, the market then, that was because after '08 happened, by 2010, 2011, cars started to go down. There was a big correction in the market. I remember my dad was in the business, and I remember him telling me about it, the Mopars and that stuff. That's when, you remember when eBay was like crazy? I don't know if you remember back then, but eBay was going crazy. And cars were selling way more than what they were. People were spending money, and then the housing collapse happened. And then for the next 3 years, people were getting really good deals.
yeah. Yeah, well, I paid a fair amount for this when I bought it back then. I walked away from the deal feeling maybe I paid a little bit more than what I should have, but I bought it, it was an emotional buy for me.
Okay.
And I wanted the car because I felt I could take it and put it back to what I had originally. When I was 17, I had, like I told
That's
you
what I was
before.
going to ask you, because you said emotional buy. What was the emotion you had attached to it?
Well, when I was 17, I had a Z28 Le Mans Blue with black stripes, and I only had it for about 8 months or so.
What year was that?
That was 71.
Wow.
Yeah. Had it about 8 months and had to get rid of it and swore that I'd have another one someday. And this was the other one, and this is the someday.
Wow.
I kept it for 12 years. When I was bantering around selling it, I checked the mileage from when I got it originally to now, and I only put maybe 100 miles a year on it. So I thought, well,
Oh, you just take it to the shows around here and stuff?
yeah.
Was it
local.
always stored here, or was it in Lancaster?
No. When I bought this, I was situated here
Okay.
at the time. But I had connections in Lancaster, and those connections led me to State College. Okay, that's
So was this car displayed for sale, or did you know somebody that had it, and that's how you got the lead
somebody
on it?
told me it was online.
Okay, but it was listed for sale.
It was listed for sale. Yeah.
Okay. I was just wondering if it was like you knew someone that had the car, you know what I mean?
A guy told me he knew I was looking for something, and he told me, hey, there's something online here. I'll send you info, and that's how I got connected with this. I kept it on the lift so that you could look the body over. We could lift it up, and then we'll
Yeah.
bring it back down, and we'll go from there.
That sounds good. Let's do that.
Okay. Do you want to lift it up now, or?
Yeah, let's lift it up now.
Okay. Down on the
Yeah,
stop.
we're locked down on it. Floors, let's see. Floors look good.
Yeah. You need light? You got light. These were on it when I got it.
Okay.
I took them off and I had them ceramic coated because I didn't like, these things deteriorating down here in this weather. So I had them ceramic coated to protect those. They're hooker headers.
What kind of transmission is it?
That is a Muncie. I think it's an M21
You can see here.
wide,
Muncie right here,
Yeah, you can
wide
see
range
here.
shifter.
You got your.
It's either an M21 or an M20. I'm not sure. That's what's on that block.
DZ. So you're asking. Okay.
If you can't give 2 more people actually that want to see it.
Okay.
Now.
Let's fire it up. You want to fire it up, Chris?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good right there.
Confident I can.
It's possible.
If you can't, then we're probably done.
Okay. I think we're done then.
Okay.
I
Yeah. Well, that's good. I mean, I appreciate you coming down and.
yeah. If it didn't have this up here, I came to buy it. I came with a truck and a trailer. I didn't came to. But even like back here, like even all this spider cracking back here, it's like.
I know. Now, I wasn't trying to tell you it was something that wasn't either.
Yeah, but I'll be honest with you. I think the people are gonna, the other guys that are coming, they're gonna say the same. It doesn't look like it has that online. It looks like it's just.
Those pictures can be deceiving.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So I know people are gonna say the same thing. They're gonna tell you.
So I'm kind of learning here too because I don't do this. This is the only car like this I ever got.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going through a little bit of a learning curve on this myself. So, but I have quite a bit of interest. So
Well, you know, you got to look at it this way, and if you want to hold on your, but your cash offer's here now with cash ready to buy.
Yeah.
If you pass on our offer, you may sell, or you may not sell it, and we're not coming back. You know what I mean?
yeah.
That's what you needed.
I have an offer that's more attractive than that.
Okay.
I have a guy that came and looked at it,
Okay.
and I said no. I said I think.
Cash hand in pan.
Well,
He
I
had-
don't know if he had cash, but he was.
Yeah.
He was telling me he could buy it for that.
Because I've had people tell me the same thing, and then they don't come back. I'm just telling you. You can do whatever you want. It's your car.
Yeah.
Probably worth 80 when we're done, 75. There's definitely money to be made in it, but it's timing. Our shop is so behind. I know this is going to sit for 6 months. That's my problem. That's where I'm aggravated about it and trying to figure out whether I want to buy it or not.
You guys want to see the bay while you're here?
Come on, work with me.
I can get that.
Work with me. I'm here with money.
I just did. Before
I
I
know.
told you I
You
wouldn't-
did want this car, but I just can't.
Yeah, I know.
ju-
It's a nice car. I'm telling you, it's a nice car.
but I got to get the stuff done to it.
Well,
This is you saying you know you can get it, but it wasn't a.
I'll work with you.
Shake my hand.
I'll do that. I'll do that.
Deal.
Okay.
All right.
Good. Good. We'll do that.
Let me get the money.
Get the money.
Oh, I have the original ball for that. I put that Hurst shifter on.
Okay.
So I had the original ball for that in the house.
I'm buying this with my heart, not with my brain.
That's what I did.
I'm-
From one guy to another.
but here's the deal.
Home runner.
What did you pay for it? You had to make money on this. You paid good.
I paid $37 for